Good morning, everyone. Today we are getting right into it. I just had a student on a call, and we looked at a trade entry, which we've had this entry over here, and I just want to let it play out. I want to see if it gets to my TP level that we looked at. And I know you guys are probably so confused how we just hopped onto this trade. I'm going to explain to you guys exactly how we entered this trade and explain to you our thought processes. So we looked in a higher time frame. So we're actually looking at currently USD JPY. Me personally, I don't trade this currency pair, but we looked at this currency pair together. We identified that on the 1 hour time frame, we're very bearish on the 1 hour time frame due to the price breaking out over here, creating a lower low, and also then creating a higher low too. But because there's also a counter trend of a lower high over here, so we thought that price could get to the 150.500, which we were confident with. So we then scaled into the 5 minutes, and so we saw the 50 minutes. We saw, okay, cool, we don't have an area of entry, but we could potentially find an area of entry. And then we looked in the 5 minutes, still couldn't see an area of entry. And then we looked on the 1 minute and saw that actually price is doing a counter trend. So we're going downwards at the moment, which gave us a nice opportunity to place a buy and for us to be more confident at price getting to our TP level. So at the moment, we entered the market over here. I'm personally not in this trade, but I just want to see how it plays out, because I want to just show my students as well, whoever are looking on the stream, at what price or of what actually happens when we place trades, what actually happens behind the scenes. And once we place trades, does it actually reach our take profit level, or does it reach our reach our stop loss? Now at the moment we had two take profits. We had a take profit over here, which has now hit our take profit 1, but our take profit 2 was 150. So we're going to have a look at the 150. This on my trend line analysis, we always make sure that we have TP1 and then TP2, right? These two levels are TP1 and TP2, which TP2 hasn't been hit yet, but TP1 has. And we are now looking for TP2 and then obviously TP3. So these are the three trades that we're looking at. But if my student is in this trade at the moment, we are looking at price, trying to go up. We had that breaker structure. We could now see some sort of retest, but we don't expect price to go below this strong support level that we've created. If price does decide to do that, then we are looking for sells to our trend line, which we're going to have a look at. But now let's actually start our stream. I know that was a very, very abrupt start to the stream, going right into a trade, but this is a trade that I just want to, some of my students are in. So I just want to make sure that I explain that properly. So we're going to look at the markets today. I want to just go back to last week, because last week, guys, we had a crazy analysis, crazy market breakdown. We're going to look at everything, because the market's been moving crazy, okay? The market's been moving crazy, and we need to, look at the market again and see potential moves, and then look for trades. So we're going to start off with Euro USD. The reason why is because Euro USD, we thought we were bearish. Price got to 1.08 and decided to bounce up, okay? So whoever was on the trade last week, we did say that price is going down, but we had take profit at 1.08. I knew that price was going to get to this level. I just wanted to know when. And price did that last week, Friday, which was very, very good. And as soon as news hit, price then went for, okay, so you've already entered. That's really, really good. Let's put some W's in the chat for one of my students that just entered their trade for today. And yeah, let's look back at Euro USD. So at the moment, we did expect price to get to 1.08. We did expect that. We now got that. And not only did we get that, we also got a price retesting the support level, meaning that, price is really, we have a really strong support level at the 1.08 level. It was very, very strong. Okay. Now, our next level from there was 1.08250 and then 1.08500. The next level of interest is 1.0875, okay? So if I just clone this up here, 1.08750 or 75, We're looking at price to get to this level here for Euro USD. More than confident. We just had a breaker structure right around over here. We had a really nice breaker structure over here, right around this area. We're now waiting for this breaker structure right here, which we're most likely going to have right now. So I'm waiting for that breaker structure. Once we see that breaker structure, then we're most likely going to go for, break structure, retest, and then buy to 1.08750. So right now we are very bullish. This is the 1 hour time frame. You can see the 4 hour time frame. Very strong bullish candlesticks. Very strong. Creating, we have new lower highs over here as well, showing us that, price could have reversed at this 1.08 level, giving us a really nice bullish momentum, even probably breaking these levels here. So what am I interested with Euro USD? Well, I'm interested in buys. I'm interested in a bullish move with Euro USD. Most likely going to wait for price to break this level right here. I'm actually going to draw a rectangle at this point because this is the level that we are interested in now. So let me just draw a rectangle at this level right here. I'm expecting price to break above, retest. I want to see strong confirmations. I want to see strong confirmations, and then we will then have a look and see if we can actually place a potential buy. Potential buy would look at, let's say price breaking above, stop loss, we don't know, stop loss probably below 1.08500, and then take profit over here. Not giving us the strongest take profit, but still, if it gets to our take profit, it gets to our take profit, which will be really nice to see. If we do create lower highs, we can then move take profit, stop loss to much closer, and then we can then, have a really nice risk reward ratio. But at the moment, we're just going to wait for price to do that. Would have been happy to enter around here. This would have been a nice entry point, but we're going to wait for price to get to this level, break above, come back down, and then go up. Let's look at Euro JPY. We took 2 losses last week with Euro JPY, but I want to see what price is going to be doing. So we can see that we are quite bullish with Euro JPY. I'm just looking at it, very bullish movement. I'm not too sure why that's a consolidation box. We need to make a support and resistance. Yeah, I'm quite bullish with this market, if I'm honest with you, because price, even though price has broke this level, price refused to break these lows here. And then not only that, we had like a morning star as well over here as well. So price basically kind of like a morning star, but we had price do a bullish momentum to the upside. So interested in seeing what price does at this point. Definitely want to see price break these levels here. So my key levels would actually be, so we are at 163. So if I just put another key level at 163, guys, because that's a key level, 163, and then also 164. So we're going to do 164 as well. Oops, 164. So if you are marking up Euro JPY, 163 and 164 chat, that is the areas we're interested at the moment. You can see that 163 is really nice support and resistance. If we go to the 1 hour, you can see that's really nice right there. Really nice level to trade in. We also had a break, retest, even a liquidity grab for anyone that tried to do buys. So if you bought in this wick, really good trade. Looking at this, we definitely want to see price getting to 164, potentially even 165. 164 for now, because that's the previous, that's breaking these highs over here. I definitely want to see that. I don't think that doesn't break these highs just yet, but definitely want to see 164. So that's my trade setup. So my trade setup for Euro JPY, if you're looking for a trade setup, looking for price to if we scale into the 15 minutes, looking for price to do some sort of retracement again so I can enter. Waiting for another retracement. We saw a break. Waiting for another retracement. If we don't see a retracement, we're just going to wait for one retracement, one bearish, strong bearish candlestick. Looking at this fib right here, this would have been a really nice entry point right here. So price, going up to point A to B, and then, 61.8 extension, touch. Probably scale into the 5 minutes. Look at that, 61.8 extension touch right here. and then, you know, bullish candlestick, reversal candlestick right here. Could have entered really, really nice trade and, you know, ride it to our take profit. So at the moment, we're waiting for TPs to get hit over here. So that's my setup for Euro JPY. Let's just have a look at the USD JPY trade that we had going on. So at the moment, it's done a bullish push and then it has now a bearish candlestick. Looking at the 1 minute, it looks like price has hit the take profits and now wants to continue to go down. Let's have a look if it retests this support level here and see if we could still stick into this trade. Hopefully we do, but that's the trade that we are looking for at the moment for that. Let's have a look at gold. Gold is another market that we're looking at. We need to have a look at gold, guys. We have to have a conversation about gold because at the end of my live stream last week, okay? At the end of my live stream, I'm just going to have a drink of water. At the end of our live stream, right? If you replay the last bit of the live stream, we anticipated this move. I've cleared my charts now, but because obviously every week I like to clear my charts, or if targets have hit, I clear my charts. But if targets are not hit, I don't clear my charts. As you saw, you know, Euro USD targets wasn't hit, so I didn't clear my charts. But for gold, targets were hit, so I had to clear my charts because we have moved beyond, you know, beyond 200 pips. Way beyond 200 pips. You know, we were here last week, for what I remember, right? We were here last week, and I don't trade on Fridays, guys, right? And we got up to, you know, around 500 pips, guys. 500 pips. That's crazy. Let's put some W's in the chat for gold, because whoever plays trades over here have made ridiculous amount of money on gold, okay? Now we're gonna have a look and see whether we can trade gold this week, because after a huge push like this, we always know that gold likes to move a bit slow. So on the 4-hour chart, we can see price, you know, is refusing to go above here now, this level of resistance, which we're gonna have a look. We're gonna have a look and see, because if we just push it back out, if we have a look, right, and we push this resistance level all the way out. Oh, what's going on? Move this resistance level. Oops. Let's put it back. Sorry, I don't know what I just did there. Put this resistance level all the way back to here. All the way back to here. Back in December 2023, we had a huge push to the downside after that. Again, push to December 2023 again. So we had, you know, we had Friday, 1st of December, end of December touch, and now we have March. So it took around 3 months to hit it again. Are we going to be bullish with gold? Are we going to break this level and potentially go even further into the markets? Or are we going to see what it always does and continue its leg, right? We have a leg right here, this leg right here, you know, price going down. If I just clone this, we have something similar over here, but there's a smaller leg this time and a much larger leg, right? All the way up to here. You know, could we see price do the same thing and push down to potentially even coming all the way back down to 2000, you know, to 2000 or even to 1980. Could we see that, guys? Let me know in the chats. What do you think? Are we going to see a bearish push or a bullish push in the markets this week? Let me know, guys. I need you guys to tell me, do you think we're going to see a bullish or bearish push? Bullish meaning price is going to go down. Bearish, sorry. It's early morning, guys. Bearish, meaning price is going down, or bullish, meaning price is going up. My opinion is we are going to see some sort of drawdown. But I'm more than confident that price will continue to go to the upside because, hear me out, guys. I see that we're starting to make this kind of trend line going on, right? So first time price hit 2080, right? Let's just say 2090, right? Last time price hit 2090, price dropped all the way down to 19, around what, 1990 again, right? 1990. So it created these lows right here. Okay. Then price decided to go back up, came back down, and it couldn't break these lows. Do you guys see that? And now market structure is so important to us because that shows us that price, yes, price could go down, but I don't think we're going to see a break of structure, guys. I refuse to see a break of structure. If I draw a fib, I'm expecting price to come back down at least to my 61.8 or 50 extension. But I don't think, right, that price is going to break this support level that we've created here. It couldn't break this. We've created a lower high. A higher low, right? Why would price end up breaking this level if price is slowly making its way up? Look on the daily time frame. You can see clearly, guys. Clearly. Come on, guys. You can see clearly that we are going up. Even though price looks like it's moving sideways, throughout the whole of 2024, we've been just moving up. Even though we've had a bearish movement the whole of 2024, price is still bullish. And that gives me that indication that price could actually potentially even go to the 21,100, so 2100 or the 2150 at this point, right? So we're looking at gold. I'm interested in buys. If I'm honest with you, if I'm a swing trader, I'm interested in buys. I'm not going to buy at the top point of the market. I'm not going to buy at the peak of the mountain, but I'm still going to be bullish. So all the traders out here, they're saying, okay, price is going to go down. Price is going to break levels. Price rejected here once, twice. I don't think it's going to go up again. Well, look at the bigger picture. Look at how price is slowly, right? These are the previous lows. A low here, higher low again. Do you not think that price is going to come back down, potentially even go to 78.6 maybe, and create another higher low? Do you guys not think that? And then, moving all the way back up to, to where, the liquidity grab was previously? Do you guys not think that? Let me know in the chat, guys. What do you think? In my opinion, this is what my movement is for gold at the moment. I know the bigger picture now. I definitely know what the bigger picture is. I think today is going to be quite of a ranging day for gold. I don't think that price is going to make a significant move today because it is a Monday as well, right? But last week's close, right, was still, look at this, still higher low. It's still a higher low, guys. Price is going up. Gold is going up. This means that USD is weak. This means that whatever's going on in the fundamental side of gold, of USD is showing signs of weaknesses. So if we go on DXY, right, and we just remove this. If we look at DXY, right, let me just remove, there we go. We can see that price is moving down. Price is moving down, right? DXY, the US dollar index going down, right? If US dollar index is on a downtrend, maybe we might be seeing price pushing down. Maybe USD is showing signs of weaknesses, right? Now, fundamentally, looking at the fundamental news and looking at what price is doing fundamentally, we will be able to see, right, what price is doing. If I look at price at a fundamental basis, let me see if I can. I don't think I have. Let me see if I can get the. I don't think I can get my. I don't know if I can change the screen, but we'll have a look at the fundamental news later. But just looking at DXY, we can all see clearly that USD is going down on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame. You can see that price looks like it's going up. It's going to go down, guys, right? Obviously, we do have to see some sort of push to the upside because I think, for me, my opinion base, right, I feel like price does have to retest this level right here, 105.500 or 105. I think price does have to retest that point again. But looking at gold, I'm bearish for now, but definitely bullish on the long-term view. So if we go on the 1 hour, I'm bearish, right? I'm bearish on the 1 hour. But again, I'm not trading today. I'm not trading gold because after a huge push like this, the only thing I can imagine is price ranging. So because price is ranging, it doesn't make sense for me to enter the market. It doesn't make sense at all. Honestly, guys, if you're entering gold right now, let me know. If you're scalping, definitely movements for scalpers. But my personal opinion, I'm not trading gold until I see a significant move where I can say, okay, cool, I'm placing a trade because I see the significant move, right? Price is ranging in gold, right? Price came down. You might have to take profit. There's no reason to take profit here. You probably just take profit because you don't know where price is heading at the moment. There's no, if you place a sell here, what made you take profit here? What, because you're in a profit? You're in profit. Is that why? Where's the confluences that price is stopping here? There's no confluences. I'm anticipating a bullish move. You're anticipating a bullish move of gold as well. Yeah, I'm definitely anticipating a bullish move. On the long term, definitely looking for a bullish move. Definitely. Most definitely looking for a bullish move. If you guys are looking at any trades at the moment, let me know. Let me know if you're looking at any trades at the moment. Let's look at the USD JPY trade that we started off with the live stream. So USD JPY, it did take the loss. It did take the loss, but we did hit take profit 1 and take profit 2. Or almost take profit 2. Actually, no, it hit take profit 2. So at the moment, we hit the loss over here. But this could be another entry. Another entry for, if price rejects this trend line, it could be another entry. So if you're in this trade for USD JPY, as long as you took partials in this trade, look for price to maybe continue to the upside. But we are anticipating 150.5. That's what we're anticipating at the moment. I'm anticipating that. So I would say just wait, bearing in mind that this is a break. Now we're looking for a retest. So if we did a Fibonacci, even though it's a 1 minute, on the lows, the highs, we're at the 78.6 extension at the moment. It has to respect my 78.6. And let's look at Euro USD. Let's look at the 50 minutes. Okay, there we go. There we go. Price is now slowly starting to respect. We could actually place a buy right now. We could place a buy right now. But I'm going to wait till price breaks this because I know there's going to be a lot of liquidity. I know price is going to be a lot of liquidity. Is there any pairs that you guys are looking at? Or if you guys have a chart that you want me to analyze, drop me a message on Telegram or on Instagram. Go on my Instagram right now. So my Instagram's at MullaFx Academy, and drop me a message on Instagram. Drop me a DM of your markets, and we'll have a look at your markets and see if your markets are respected. If you need any help, drop me a message down in Instagram now. Drop me a DM. I'm on this live stream till 1 p.m. GB London timing. So if you want me to have a look at, so you got 1 hour. If you want me to have a look at your charts, if you want me to see your charts, so you're anticipating gold to sell up until 2064 0.1 area, as there's support around that area, and on your smaller time frame, 50-minute gold seems to be forming a double top, but overall I think we are bullish. 100%. Let's look at gold. Is that you have a look at gold? Yeah, 100% double top. I 100% agree with you. I definitely believe, and with gold, I know that when gold does double bottoms or double tops, it is always super strong. I was explaining to my students last week, people who are with my MullaFx Academy, I was explaining to them, if we just scale, I think it was a 50-minute time frame, and we have a look at, I think it was either 1 hour. Let me have a look at the 1 hour. Sorry guys, let me just, because price is on a crazy movement. Was it here? Yeah, so here, price did a double bottom right here, right? Look how strong this double bottom is, right? Bear in mind, we're in the 1 hour time frame. It's a double bottom on the 1 hour time frame. It went from 1987 all the way, yep, no drawdown, right? Let's say we entered right here. We entered right here, right after this double bottom. Let's say we entered right here, or even at the retest, right? We targeted, let's say, wherever the high is. Let's just see where this, let's say we had a trading stop loss, right? A trading stop loss, meaning that we are just going to keep, we're just going to keep hitting profits, right? See whenever the trading stop loss stops me. So stop loss below here, and we keep going, price stops us out at wherever there's some sort of drawdown. Let's see where there was drawdown. Up until now, there's no drawdown. Let's say this stopped us out right here, because look at that risk to reward ratio, guys. A 1-to-9, just off this small double bottom. Guys, that is crazy. So, with that in mind, do you not think price could do the same thing with this small double top? That's the question you guys need to answer. Do you think that price is going to do the same thing? Even it did the same thing on this whole leg. It did that exact same move, right? Are we just going to see a mirror image of it? And maybe even price getting to, like one of the comments said, 2064.01. Let me have a look at that. 2064.01. So 2064. So you're anticipating price to get to this level right here. Am I correct? Like around this area. That's plausible. That's very, very plausible. I agree. That's very, very plausible. I still believe though, that price has to respect my trend line as well. So I'm gonna wait for one of my fib levels. I'm gonna anticipate either entry points at one of these levels. That's my anticipation. Because gold likes to do this thing where, look, if you have a look, right, there was a double bottom here. We already saw that this is double bottom. We saw that this is a leg, right? Let's have a look at the leg before the retracement. So this is the retracement. You can see this is the retracement, right? So we can see that the retracement. So this is the leg before the push to the upside. This is what we had going on. These were the highs, right? So price had to break these highs to confirm this leg. So if we just mirror this leg, let's clone this leg right here. Let's clone it to up here. Guys, look at that. Lines up to my 78.6. Do you guys see that? And remember, the market always likes to replicate what it does. So if this was the leg, if this is the first leg before this big push, if this was the leg before it, more than likely it would repeat this. But again, you could be correct. You could be correct, and price could reject at my, this could just be a breaker structure, retest at that breaker structure, and then continue to go up. 100%. Don't hold me to it. But if you start seeing price break down and continue going down, please don't think that price is bearish. Price is only bearish if we break these lows, and not only this low, if we break this low too. I believe that if we break these lows, that's where price is bearish. I do not believe that if we break any of these highs, right, I don't believe that price could be it could be bearish. I still believe price is bullish. Only until we break all the way up until here. Price could do a liquidity grab all the way to these lows, and if it spikes back up again, I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish on gold, only because I know that that's what gold likes to do. Gold likes to create its highs, right? If we look over here, gold likes to create its highs, come back down. Right, this is one leg, by the way. This is one leg, then it retraced. So let me have a look. Let me just show you guys what I mean by legs, right? So price came down, created a low, went back up. Created a low, went back up over here, right? This is how the price moved. Let me make this a bit more, let me make this a different color so you guys can see. Let me make it as bright as possible, as thick as possible. Can you guys see that, right? So this is what it's done. So if I clone this exact same pattern, right? I clone the exact same pattern, and I just move it to over here. Doesn't that line up to my 78 again? My 78 point extension? Can you see that? Doesn't that line up to my 78.6 extension? Do you guys see that vision? Even though we're bullish, do you not think that we could see this is the leg that we could see? And this is not scripted, guys. This is not scripted. This is just purely market structure. This is just market structure. This is not scripted. I can't make up the market. This is purely market structure. This is why I always emphasize to everyone that's trading, look at market structure, because the market tells you exactly what the market is going to do. It might not tell you right away, but eventually you will see that and you can then trade that. So if you don't understand market structure and you're hitting losses, that could be the reason why. It's because you just don't know market structure yet. So if you don't understand why I just did this, I'm gonna repeat it one more time. Is last time when price went to this level, before it broke this low, this was the leg. This was the leg until price broke structure, right? So I want to replicate that because I feel like price could do the exact same thing and come back down, because price did it over here. If we go back over here, right, price roughly did the same thing. If I just clone this again, it did it in a lower time frame, but price, look, I'm not going to move. Can you see, guys? Look at over here. Look over here, right? I'm just going to move this to here so you guys can see. Boom. Over here, it ain't reached the highest point, but it did this similar move, right? And then over here, boom. And then price obviously got to above him. Can you guys see that? Yeah, exactly. Let's actually see how it plays out. It's done it twice. Roughly the same move. It's not going to be exactly over here. See, you can see the this is reverse, inverted head and shoulders. So it's a whole different move. But it kind of does the same thing. So I'm not expecting price to do exactly what it did previously. That was too easy for us, right? That's way too easy money for us. But I do believe price could, come back down to a level. Again, if you are bullish and you are trying to enter buys over here, enter buys, but be aware that price could potentially go down as well. There's no reason for price not to do that, because price did that twice when it came up to here. So there's no reason for price, last time price got to this level, if you have a look, I'll rewind it back. Price went down, we had profit. So if you're going to trade this and you have profit, take profit. But today I don't think I'm going to look for any gold movements. If you have any other trades running, let me know so we can have a look at it. Because I definitely want to see what gold plays out this week though. I'm going to be very aggressive with gold when it comes to trading, because I know kind of roughly where price could be heading. I might, if I had I might even see if we could look for potential sells. If price breaks this level, I know we could potentially sell 265, or exactly what my one of the comments said is 64, 2064. I think that would be a really nice area to trade. I 100% agree that area is really good, primarily because if you have a look, it is really liquidity grab right here. Really nice resistance points, really nice support, really nice resistance. So I 100% agree with you when it comes to trading to that level. 100% agree. Especially me, I'm not a swing trader. What we're looking over here is a swing trade. So by the end of March, guys, we're going to see a retracement. We're going to see that retracement by the end of March. I believe that could be the move. By the end of March, the retracement will be done. So any buys that you've got for gold, because I feel like gold is just going to boom up after March. In April, new tax year, I have a feeling gold is just going to bounce up. Looking at the daily on DXY, I'm bearish as well. Even on the weekly, I'm bearish. So right now I'm looking for a bullish move. Again, waiting till end of March, and then boom, crash to the market. That's what I believe with the US dollar index. I believe that. So with every other pair as well, I'm expecting the same thing. Euro USD bounce up. GBP. So this is nothing to do with. Actually, we haven't actually looked at GBP/AUD. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, we haven't seen GBP/AUD. We had a consolidation box last week, didn't we, guys? And we basically hit TP as well. Okay, that's crazy. Basically hit TP, almost hit TP. Price hit these lows right here. So TP. I didn't actually place this trade, guys. I wasn't in this trade. Last week I was in a Euro USD and gold trade. Those are the two trades I was in, and Euro JPY. I wasn't in this trade. I think this is, I told you guys double top, didn't I? I think that's what it was. But we'll have a look at GPAED. We'll have a look. But back on this gold for a second. I wanna see. Let me just clear up the charts because I do want to look at potential sell. Because I know you guys have hopped in this live stream just to see entry points, so you guys can make money. I just want to see if we can have any potential entry points for us to trade. I would most likely I would say is wait for price to. Right, wait for price to break this. That is horrible, guys. Hold on. Wait for price to break these lows. How many of you guys are in this and you are a scalper? Are you guys a scalper, day trader, or intraday trader? What kind of trader are you? Drop me a message on what kind of trader you are, so I get a better understanding of my viewers, because I don't want to show you guys scalping trades or swing trades, and none of you are scalpers or swing traders, and you all are day traders like me, and we've just missed out on potential moves because I was too busy explaining the swings or the scalps. So what are we, guys? What kind of traders are we? And again, if you are new to the live stream, subscribe to the channel. I'm grateful for every single one of you. I think we're on 650 subscribers, road to 1K subscribers. That's the goal by the end of March. Let's try and get that to end of March. We'll try and get to that. So let me know what kind of trader you are. Drop me a comment down below now. Let me know what kind of trader you are. And let me see if I can make a poll. Let me see if I can make a poll on the thing. Let me know, guys. I'm gonna try and get a poll for the live stream. So let's see if we can get a poll. I'm not too sure how you do that, but I'll see. But guys, comment down below which pairs you're looking at and what kind of trader you are, so I know roughly what currency pairs you look at and what kind of traders you are. What kind of trader you are, sorry. Let me know. And we're just letting gold play out. But let me know. Guys, I'm thirsty today. Damn, it's maybe because I'm talking way more. But we're kind of getting used to the live stream though. This is my 5th live stream of the year, which is kind of good. 5th live stream of the year, that's not too bad, is it, guys? Not too bad. Not too bad. Just gonna wait until and see what is going on with. So we're just gonna wait and see what is going on with gold, and I also want to know what kind of trader you are, guys. Comment down below. Don't be shy. So comment what type of trader you are, guys. Let me have a look and see. Also, if you're new to the live stream, make sure you give the stream a like, so I know that you like this type of content. If you have any other ideas of content, because you're a swing trader, if you have any other type of content, if you like any other type of content, let me know so that we can then do that. If you love just trying to soak up knowledge to get back in the game, Okay, that's no worries, bro. No worries. Literally, even if you're not trading, it's always good to manifest what kind of trader you want to become. So even if you've been trading for a while, what's the reason why you haven't traded, bro? Let me know. What's the reason? Is it what is it? Is it that you're just waiting to become more stable with it, or what's the reason why you are not able to trade? I'm happy that you've been subscribing for a while though. Let's put some W's in the chat for that. That's really, really good. It makes me happy when I see people subscribe for a while, and then I get to see you in real life. Okay, so you basically trade when you see opportunity, but you're more of a day trader and a bit of a scalper. Only trade gold. Okay, you only trade gold. So this is a really good live stream for you then, right? You only trade gold because I practically only trade gold as well. So if you look at on my Instagram or my Discord server, I show you all the charts that I look at on my MullaFx book, right? Because I like to be transparent with everyone. And literally most of my trades were gold, Euro, JPY. Literally these four pairs, gold, Euro, JPY, Euro, USD, and GBP/AUD. But I want to have more conversations with you guys. So if you have any questions or anything, literally just comment it down below. I want this to become more of like, we having a conversation. Imagine I'm next to you and we're talking, I want it to be like that, so that we're a bit more comfortable with the trades. And if you have any ideas, definitely let me know, so that we can then put that into our charts, and we both can, as a community, we all can, grow together. So let me know. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'll be really, really grateful for you to do that, and also lets me know that you enjoy the live stream. I know you all are liking the live stream right now. Thank you for everyone that's liked the live stream. It's good to see that we are getting nice engagement as well, showing me that you like these live streams, and we can keep going. We're gonna keep going. I want to get to 100 live streams this year. That's my goal for this year, guys. 100 live streams. Last year I couldn't do that. The reason why I didn't do live streams last year is literally because like I'll be honest, guys, I didn't really like live streams last year, just because I was more focused on my own trading and like building my Instagram out. Literally. Let me know though, guys, if you what is it that you guys want in the live streams. I really want to bring in like reactions to other traders. I really want to bring that into the game. I don't think anyone's done that, or reacting, like, because at the moment, if you guys are on YouTube, you guys know at the moment there's a lot of fake gurus out there, okay? And I really want to react to them, but I don't know if I want to be part of that. I don't want to be part of that group, if that makes sense. So I want to react, but I don't want to be entertaining them as well, if that makes sense, because that's giving them views as well, which I don't want. But it's also entertainment. In the forex industry, we need some entertainment, right? Because you can't always look at the market 24/7. So definitely I want to get into, looking at other YouTubers, judging them, and see, do I believe if they're good traders or not. Looking forward to many more. Thank you. I appreciate that a lot. That comment right there, it means a lot to me. That comment right there, that's a nice comment. Thank you, man. I'm gonna pin that comment. That was really nice. We got a first time someone joining my live stream, and they're looking forward to see many more. That motivates me to continue live streaming. Thank you. I appreciate that a lot. But yeah, like I really want to react to these traders and actually see where they're going wrong, and actually identify who is scamming. Because I know a lot of you are looking at different traders, and you are all, oops, I don't know why I'm doing that. I know a lot of you are looking at traders, and you're looking up to them, but they might not even be trading might not even be their lifestyle. Now, do you want to be part of someone who trades, you know, as part of their lifestyle? Or do you want to be someone that made money behind the scenes in another business and already established themselves and now went into trading and became profitable in the markets? Because with me, if I just give you a bit of background story, I've, you know, trading has helped me become stable with finance. You know, the skill that I've learned. So trading for me is a skill, right? I've learned the skill. 100%. Like we're trading. Like I'm not from like a good. I'm not wealthy. I didn't come from a good. You know, I wouldn't say a poor background, but I didn't come from from somewhere where I could utilize that as and become profitable in the markets. I had to compound build. Does that make sense? So when it comes to me being in the markets, because I compound build every profit that I make, that's what helped me become a trader now, and especially funded accounts. Funded accounts is the breakthrough for a lot of traders, and I really do appreciate funded accounts, even though there is a lot of scandal. But if you can just get funded, get some payouts, build your own capital, that's where you can then trade by yourself without funded accounts. That's the steps, right? It's so simple. Yeah, a lot of us cannot do that because we're scared because the funded accounts are scammers or whatever they are. They freeze your accounts, but you just need to find one and just get funded, honestly. But yeah, there definitely is a niche that isn't out there, 100%. I do agree with that. I definitely want to bring, because I know there's a lot of streamers out there that do reactions to videos, but it's not in the finance industry. And we can get, at the moment though, I'll be honest, I don't know that many finance YouTubers. I try to stay away from watching them just because, you know, I don't want to go for copying content. There is a few, there is a main, but I know there's many more. I know there's many more out there. So definitely reacting to people. I might even create a whole new channel for that. Actually, furthermore, I might even create a whole new channel for that. Just so that it doesn't ruin the whole teaching part of the MullaFx team. But let's look back in the market, guys. Let's look back in the market. Again, guys, don't be scared to message me on the chat. I would love to have more of a communication with you. That was really nice, little bit of communication, really, really nice. But I don't know why I keep drawing. But yeah, let's have a look at gold again. So gold at the moment, we've created double top. We're now creating lower highs right here, right? Could this be a potential move of a selling move? I know you guys want to see. I know you guys want to see trades. Because look, we had a trend line break over here, an easy trend line strategy right here, right? Trend line break over here. Trend line break, retest, right? As soon as we saw the retest, TP1, TP2, hit, boom. So now we could see, now we're in like another trend line, which this time I don't want it to break. Do you guys see that? I don't want it to break this. But at the moment, we're just ranging from, this is the range we're going from 2088 all the way to 2078. That's the range we're going from right now. So at the moment, this trend line is horrible, by the way. This trend line is horrible. Right there. There we go. So at the moment, I'm waiting for either a bounce of a trend line or a break of structure right here. This is the break of structure that I'm waiting for. This is what we're waiting for, guys. And then for the live stream, because I always do try to have potential moves on the live stream. For the live stream, we'll see if we can enter the market. But I don't want to be placing trades just for the live stream. I also want to make some profits. So let's see. Let's look at the Euro USD though. Okay, there we go. So Euro USD is just refusing to break this level. Do you guys remember the support resistance level that we had? Sorry. Is refusing to break the resistance level, and I think this is like potential buys right here. These are all buying opportunities. We got half an hour left. Shall we scale in and see? Let's have a look at our fib. Point A to point B. 38.2. We don't have a strong, I don't see like a strong reversal. So price could continue to go down for a bit, but we could use this fib. Now that price done this, we could use this fib. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot, guys. I'm definitely looking for buys. If I went for a buy, my stop loss will definitely like be below, will have to be below here, to be honest. Or like here, below here for sure. Actually, no, yeah, my stop loss will be below here. And then obviously take profit because we're expecting it to go up to here. But then this will be TP1, TP2, and then TP3. How does that setup look, guys? Shall we do that? Shall we just enter this market here? Even though we're expecting some sort of drawdown. We are expecting drawdown in this. So I might actually go for that buy. I'm actually going to go for that buy right now, guys. We're going to go for the buy right now. I know you guys want to hear the sound. So we're going to go for that buy right now. And this is Euro USD. I don't know if my phone will make that sound. And why is it not letting me place trades? That's a bit strange. That's a bit strange, guys. It's not letting me enter the market. Not bad for me. My broker sometimes does this. I don't know why. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. We've now entered right around over here. And we're going to see how this looks. On the 1 hour is quite, we have half an hour left, so I feel like this is a liquidity grab. But we could expect some sort of drawdown. And then let's look at the 2 hours is still bullish. 4 hours is looking bearish, but we still have 1.5 hours left. So hopefully by the end of this live stream, we'll see price to at least get to above here. I don't want this candlestick to start becoming bearish. That wouldn't be a good look. And we've just entered, so we're already in drawdown, which is quite not the good look. So we're not gonna look at that for a moment. We're not gonna look at that because we want to look at gold as well. Let's scale into gold, because right now I feel like we're kind of like on the scalp for gold, or on that scalp. Go on that 5 minutes. Yeah, see, gold's looking like it's selling right now. What confirmation do you use before taking a trade? So for me, if I'm honest with you, I normally have, okay, so there's 3 confluences I have to have. So number 1 is my fib level retracement. That'd be number 1. Number 2 is actually my indicators. So normally I have an 8 and 14 EMA. So normally, so if we look at Euro USD, I'll tell you exactly why I placed this trade. So we scale back into the 1 hour. You can see that price has just retested my moving average right here. Number 2, I look at candlestick formation. So just looking based on these 3 candlesticks right here, this is a very strong bullish push. And it's also just broken these highs. It didn't break the wick of the high, but it's just broken these highs, giving me that indication that price is going to go up. Okay, so more than likely, because this candlestick is still bullish. So when you see a bullish candlestick like that, it means that price could continue to go to the upside. And obviously, we scale to a higher time frame, 2 hours, 4 hours. You can see that overall, we've already created our daily lows, right? Our daily lows, right? If we look at our daily lows, so actually, no, we haven't created a daily lows here, but we've created a, so it does look, I don't actually see the daily time frame, but it has created a very, very strong bullish push. And also this candlestick here is very, very bullish as well. But because I'm on the 1 hour time frame and I entered on the 15-minute time frame, for me, the 1 hour time frame, for me is the moving average touch, right? Stop loss below the moving average, because if price goes below that moving average, I'm not in that trade. I would love to come out of that trade. And we're already in profit with this trade already. And then also look at the candlesticks. So number one is my candlestick. So price, structure of price. Okay, that's number one. Number two is looking at the moving average, which we can see. And number three would be my Fibonacci retracement, which you can see is just bounced off my 38.2. So I always go for three confluences. So even though on the live stream I don't have the moving averages, on my charts in my account, my broker account, because I use MT5, it has my moving averages. And then also on the MT5, I also have RSI as well. But most of the time, it is moving average, candlestick patterns, and also my Fibonacci retracement. I always have to go for these three. If price breaks out over here and retest, that retest is I'm buying again. And I keep buying on retest, right? So if I just give you an example, let's just look at GPAUD. Right, price has, let's say price is just bounced down, right? Bounced down over here. What I'll do is, number one, I'll draw a Fibonacci retracement straight away. Number two, I'll wait for price to, retest. We see at 50 extension, we see a retest. We also see that the blue moving average has just crossed over. And then also at my 38.2, moving average crossed over again, giving me a bearish, showing me that, price is bearish. Now, I might have not entered over here, but I could have definitely entered over here, a later entry, right? Let's say we entered right over here for a sell, right? Because number one, price action, price has just created lower highs, right? Number two is my moving averages. We just had a moving average crossover. And number three, it bounced off my Fibonacci retracement. That's more than enough confirmation for me to place a sell. And then I'll place a sell at TP1. Usually my minus 27 is my TP1. My stop loss could either be above here, or if I'm being aggressive, I would try and bring it to just above the previous, or I try it at my best. If I'm aggressive, it'll be the previous extension. If I'm a bit more conservative, I'll do it above the two extensions and just above there. Again, this is a horrible trade, but it's still profitable. And for me, I just want to take my profits and go. So for me, I don't really care about the risk to reward ratio as much. I only care about how much I'm risking. And if I feel like this is too much of a risk, I will then definitely close above these, literally exactly above this high, and then give me a nicer risk to reward ratio, 1 to 2.25, which is much better for me to trade with. Here's my take profit. Again, I could have traded to take profit 2 over here, which makes sense for these lows here. But for me, my first confirmation is TP1, which will be over here. Always take my TP1 because this respects is more guaranteed for me. That's what I like. So with regards to what confirmation techniques, I need 3 confirmations before I place a trade. Once I place a trade, I can then go on to looking at, before I place a trade, I look at the 3 confirmations. Once I see the 3 confirmations, I place a trade. Once I place that trade, I place my stop loss and take profit wherever my targets are and wherever I don't want price to go to. And then that's my trade, and I just don't look at it. So for Euro USD, you can see that price has now, price is on the 1 hour. Now we know that with 1 hour, we've got 20 more minutes left. Price could potentially just come up, and this could be a liquidity grab, right? This could be a grab for us to, enter the market, which, yes, I understand this could have been an early movement, but moving average is still above. Even on the 50 minutes, the blue moving average is above. Usually what the market likes to do is, right? Let me just draw you some moving averages. So let's say this is a moving average, right? And let's say price is, let's say this is price. So let's say we're going up, right, down, up, down, up, down. And then we see price creating lows, and it does this, right? This is what moving average will do, okay? Moving average will come up, it will go like this and go like this. And then before it gets to, because obviously now it's showing bearish signs, right? So it's going down. Before it can go below price, it will go so close to price and then swoop up and then continue going up, right? That's why we see that bullish push. That's what moving average does. For example, let me show you over here. Let me just clear this. Clear this. Look at moving average over here, right? Price goes up, or even potentially over here. Price crosses over, comes down, right? Crosses over again, and it swishes up. It swishes. The sellers that was here, the move is done. Sellers that are over here, because the moving average crossed so close, all it looks like is a swoosh. If we go on a higher time frame, that wouldn't have been a crossover, right? Over here is a crossover, see, because we had a strong bearish. But over here, look, price goes up, price starts moving up. Instead of crossing over, it swooshes and it swooshes back down because it still has prices to come down. So that's where I place. That's another thing you have to see with moving averages. For example, over here, price creates lower highs, right? We're thinking, oh yeah, sellers, right? Sellers on control, right? Not really, because look what happens. Price swooshes up, right? It swooshes up and crosses over after the swoosh, right? Look what price is doing here, right? Moving average is too wide at the moment. It's not even close. So I'm still expecting some sort of bullish momentum in this, right? Once moving averages gets to a close point like here, I know that it's just going to swoosh and then go down, right? Over here is too wide. And we're on the 1 hour. I entered on the 1 hour, so I have to look at my confluences on my 1 hour. I can't look at, let's say for example, I entered on the 15-minute charts. I can't look at the 1 hour and find confluences because that's not my entry point. My entry point's on the 15 minutes. I have to then look at confluences on that 15-minute chart. For example, over here on the 50-minute chart, look, price goes up, it ends up coming down, and it doesn't cross over, it swooshes first, right? Over here, it swoosh, it could cross over, right? Potentially giving me, making price go down, but that's where our stop loss is. Our stop loss is to prevent this for us to not be in drawdown, okay? These are the previous lows. I don't expect price to go below this level right here, if I'm honest with you. Okay, I don't expect price, especially with the bullish momentum that we got going on, this huge bullish push, basically a triple bottom, right? I don't expect price to, break levels. I expect price to at least get to 1.08750. And that's my confirmation technique. That's how I place my trades. Now, yes, sometimes, I might be aggressive, like with this trade, primarily for this live stream, I want to place a trade. That's why my stop loss is a bit more higher. But when it comes to aggressiveness, sometimes I'm aggressive, I might go off based off 2 confirmations. I might go based off 3 confirmations, depending on how aggressive I am. But I have to have at least 3 confirmations before I can actually confirm a trade. If I'm going off 2 confirmations, my 3rd confirmation has to happen within at least an hour of me entering, at least. So for example, if the moving average hasn't crossed over yet, but I'm entering a sell, I'll be like, okay, cool, I'm entering a sell. I'm going to place a sell now, but I want the moving average to cross over within the next hour or so that can confirm my 3rd confirmation. With this trade, I want price to break these highs for a confirmation. If price decides to go down, I've entered early, I come out of the loss, and then I look for another entry, maybe like around here, right? Look for a better entry. At this point though, but because price is rejected once and twice, I'm not too sure if price will go up, but I'm risking more, right? Because of my confluences on the 1 hour, it's giving me it's giving me more confident. This kind of is giving me confident that, okay, price could go up, right? This is just a little bit of a drawdown right now. And if price does decide to come down for drawdown, I don't expect it to go below my 1 hour trend line. I don't believe it will go below my 1 hour trend line, hence why I've entered this trade. Obviously, when you're a trader and you enter a trade, the more you look at that trade, the more you will see the market be against you. As soon as you enter the trade, forget about everything that you thought about, forget about everything that you've traded previously or the way the market is. As soon as you enter the trade, let that trade run. Don't stare at the markets, because within me even speaking to you guys about how I see confirmations, I've seen doubts in my own trade, right? Every time you place trades, just place the trade and let it run, let it go. If it hits the stop loss, it's okay, because risk management. So let it be, okay? So if you are in a trade and you feel like, okay, market can actually, price is rejected once, twice, 3, almost 4, 5, 6, now 6 times, right? What's the confirmation that price could just crash on me right now? Well, you know what? I placed a trade now. I can't go back on it now, right? I'm just going to let it run, see. Because at that very moment of time when you place that buy or you place that sell, as soon as you place that buy or sell, you didn't think about those things. So as soon as you do it, you gotta just be confident with it and just let it play out, right? There's a reason why I placed my stop loss here. There's a reason why my take profit is here. My take profit 1, 2, and 3. Right? There's a reason. So we're just going to let it play out now. If it goes against me, it goes against me. If a trader tells you that, oh, when you place a trade, if you feel like it's going down, come out, they're not traders. they're most likely gambling because they just want to hit as many wins as possible. A winner's going to lose, right? A winner's going to lose multiple times in order for them to win, right? So when it comes to trading, you're going to place, let's say you place a buy here. You're going to be like, oh, but this candlestick is so strong. Like, oh man, I don't know if I'm going to be profitable in that trade. Well, guess what? 3 candlesticks later, you're profitable. But because of your psychology, you were too busy thinking about this candlestick. And you're too busy thinking about price. You didn't think about why did you even enter that buy in the first place. Let it run out. Yeah? Don't let analysis paralysis get to you, and then you feel like, oh, I gotta now, lead this trade, right? I gotta lead this trade because I'm not really confident in this trade, right? We expect price to, go to 1.08750. We're gonna let it get to that point, right? Do you guys agree with me? Do you guys agree that every time we place trades, we end up coming out of that trade because we analyze it too much? Do you guys agree with that? Cool, let's look at gold. Yeah, gold is giving me nice bearish movements. Again, gold could just swoosh up down. It looks like a double top for me though. Definitely does look like a double top for me. So definitely, if I had to sell right now, stop loss will definitely have to be above here, 100%. Take profits to with a nice 1 to 3 risk wherever 2064, like what the comment says. I want to see if I can pin the comment, this comment right here. I want to pin this comment instead because this comment is place pin. If you look at this comment over here, that comment is where we're going to go for. I like that position for a sell, especially because I'm a day trader. This is more of a better selling point than scaling all the way down to 22,000 or wherever price can go to. It would make more sense. It would make more sense for it to do that. But I'm gonna wait though. I'm gonna wait for like a strong. I wanna trade like more like over here. This is like a trade that I wanna go for. No worries, bro. No worries. I always want to share. I always want to share everything to you guys. I don't want to gatekeep because that's where we have that community. That's where MullaFx wouldn't be MullaFx if we gatekeep, right? So we don't gatekeep around here, bro. Anything you ask for, I'm gonna try and explain it to you in this live stream. If you guys haven't already, if you're new to the live stream though, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video to let me know that I am doing a good job on the live streaming and that you enjoy this live stream. It gives me a better indication. And also comment if you enjoy this live stream and you've stayed by with me this whole hour, and then definitely just let me know in the comments down below. And definitely go check out my Instagram as well. I have an Instagram page, MullaFx. I'll try and get that on the page somewhere. I don't know if I can get that on here. I'll try get a Instagram or even put like a text or something on here. Try get some text or some social media thing if I can do that. But yeah, my Instagram is over here. Let me see if I can. I'm not too sure if I can. I really want to add more things to the live stream. I feel like the live stream is just me and the stream. I want to get more pop-ups going on. Definitely. Guys, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed already, or if your friends are not subscribed, or share it to every single person. Share it to your cousins, your brothers, your sisters, literally anyone that's interested in Forex. Honestly, we are trying to grow this account. Our goal is 1,000. Our goal is 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys subscribe to me and get me to that level. I'll be more than grateful for you guys if you do that, so then we can keep producing more and more content for you guys. Literally, I'll be waiting for a breaker structure and a retest. Oh god, yeah, definitely breaker. Yeah, definitely. That's why I'm saying this is a move that I would like. Definitely. I definitely want to see it do that. Literally just gonna wait, guys. This is literally how the market really is on a Monday. Mondays are boring for me, only because that's why I definitely want to start doing more live streams, because Mondays are kind of boring for me because I don't really like placing trades on a Monday, but it does sometimes it does make a move, sometimes it doesn't. It just depends. So with me, for me to place a trade, so today we place a trade. This is a very forced trade. You can see that we're now getting some drawdown. This is a very forced trade. But honestly, guys, like, I don't really like trading. Mondays like my worst days to trade. You can see that this is now, most likely will hit my stop loss. Most likely. But we're just gonna wait. It's gonna wait. Because that is a very, I want to see how it reacts to my, we've got 6 minutes left. I want to see how price reacts to this moving average. But definitely, yeah, this was definitely an L in the market. I'm still bullish though, even though price, is crashing down. I'm still bullish, only because, again, I don't expect price to go below here. Even if I had to move my stop loss just to below, let's say like here, I don't expect price to do that. But obviously, because I placed my stop loss, I want to just set and leave my stop loss to where it is. So I definitely want to see what price does to that moving average. We're going to wait 6 more minutes. But yeah, Euro JPY is, yeah, we just had a bullish move over here. So I'm not too sure what this what that fib was, but yeah, we're definitely looking at price going towards 164 on Euro JPY. And on gold, we're definitely looking at gold to go to 2064. Definitely, that's a level first level there. See what price does, and then continue with that. We're almost close to our stop loss of Euro USD, so that one's something that we have to have a look at. But definitely, we're gonna have a look at that one and see why. See if we can get a better position. I'm sorry about this trade, guys. This trade is not moving in our favor at the moment. Hasn't hit stop loss, but it's not moving in our favor. Most likely because, if I have a look, it's just because we probably had like a double top over here. So most likely we could have price come retest down here again, this level, right around here. Most probably, just a probable thing, could retest down here. Like, it's really strong, or even push. If it breaks this level, I'm bearish. If this double top is strong, I'm bearish if it breaks this level. Very bearish. But this is how the trading game goes, guys. Like, I've been trading for 4 years now, and this is exactly how the market goes. Trading for 4 years, and literally the market has not changed one bit. Like, everyone that's got new strategies, or listen, I've been doing the same strategy for 4 years. Literally I have never changed my strategy, and that's what got me profitable. It's literally what got me profitable. But let's have a look at this trade right here, though. I'm definitely interested in this trade. If you're new to the live stream, make sure you guys have subscribed. And if you're watching this live stream after it has been published, also drop a comment down below, because I still check the comments. I still check my comment section. I always check my comment section. So if you always got questions after the live stream, if you've made it this far to the live stream and you're not subscribed, subscribe. But if you made it this far and you've commented, I will make sure I comment back. If I'm not on the live stream, I'll make sure I comment back. So make sure you guys check out my Instagram as well. Make sure you guys go check out my page. I'm not too sure if I got. Let me have a look and see. Let me put it in. Let me see. Cool. Let me just quickly do this, and let's put Chrome up. There we go. And let's put boom, boom, my YouTube channel up. So guys, if you just wait there, just trying to get my YouTube channel up. There we go. Let me get the screen back for you guys. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we just got our YouTube channel up. Guys, if you have a look, right, I've just uploaded, I'm explaining how to grow a small account, easiest entry strategy that you're gonna have, why you keep blowing, your Forex account, best risk to reward ratio setup. And guys, the editing goes crazy. Guys, the editing goes crazy with these videos. I'm getting slept on. I'm gonna be honest, the views are lacking. We used to hit, look at the views we used to hit, guys, right? We are lacking, guys. We are lacking. I don't know why we have dropped in views, but I need you guys to stay strong with me, guys, okay? I have like, if you guys are beginners into Forex and you haven't seen my channel, this is a channel for you. Not only do I have a whole guide on how to trade, right? If you look at my playlist, not only do I have a whole course for YouTube, I also have market analysis and my old live streams that I don't have on my channel at the moment. I have my old live streams that I did this is 2 years ago, guys. Yeah, 2 years ago. I have this on my live from 2 years ago. So if you haven't seen my 2 years ago and you want to see my live streams from 2 years ago, guys, this is a channel that you're missing out on it, right? If you haven't watched any of these videos, you're definitely sleeping on my channel, guys. And I need you guys to have a look at all these videos. These are all market analysis videos. If you already know how to trade, and you just want to look at how someone else's trades and you want to see, does it make sense? We make crazy profits. Over here, I think I made £533. I don't know if I put any other price. We're going crazy with this one. With this video, we're going crazy. If you don't know how to use heat maps, guys, go watch this video. A pattern that a lot of people miss out on, double tops, double bottoms, literally how to make money with double bottoms. We made 70 pips over here, a £200 a day strategy, right? 130 pips over here. Guys, this is literally proof of me. I'm trying to show you guys. I've been trading for 4 years, guys, right? If we go all the way back, this was 3 years ago, right? This is 2021. My Bitcoin, we had a Bitcoin prediction in this video, right? 2 years ago, 2 years ago, 2 years ago, 2 years ago. Obviously, I took a break, so I've hidden a lot of old videos. But guys, these are all proof that, trade. We had a little podcast going on for a bit. Before all the other traders did podcasts, there was a podcast right here 2 years ago. We had podcasts. If you guys want me to bring podcasts back, I can get podcasts back for you guys, right? We have my whole trading plan, how I trade. We have crazy videos, guys. I need you guys to go check out my channel. right? I know I'm going crazy with the videos, but I want you to go check out my channel and go and subscribe and go and check out every single video that I've produced that will help you. Anything you need, any type of video you need is on here. Okay, guys, every single, and if it's not on here, comment it down below so I can get it on there, because I want every single video that you need on my channel. So you don't have to go anywhere else. You don't need to go to any other channel. You won't need to go, if you want, I can even get, like I said to you guys, start doing reactions to other traders. We'll get that channel built for you, right? But I need you guys to do that for me, right? I think Euro USD has just crashed, right? Yeah, there we go. So we're going to come out of this trade, but I think we could get some sort of rejection right here. So we're going to wait for price to confirm to me first, maybe continue to go up a little bit, and then we'll place another buy. But other than that, guys, we are now approaching 1 o'clock. So I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. We're about to end this live stream. I really don't want to end this live stream. You guys have been crazy with me this live stream, communicating with me, commenting down below. I appreciate every single one of you that stayed on this live stream the whole time. I appreciate you all. If you guys missed out on a few moments in the live stream, you want to replay it, you can go ahead, replay it. We are ending this live stream on the L, which I don't want to do. If I'm honest with you, I don't want to do that. But me ending this live stream on the L will help my psychology, because then I won't place another trade, right? So hopefully tomorrow we're going to come back to the markets. I'm here Monday to Thursdays. Tomorrow we're going to come back to the markets, and we're going to see if we can end this week on profit, okay? And if you guys don't know, I'm also launching my website where I'll be able to teach traders on how to become profitable just like me and just like my other students. If you haven't checked my Instagram, go check it out. Link is in the description below. My Instagram you can go check my highlights. We have so many students flipping accounts. We have students making 500 a day. We have students literally having a £50 account, turning it into £300, right? We have me that trades. I trade. My profits are all there, right? So make sure you guys go check it out. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I hope you guys are going to be back with me tomorrow so that we can, trade together and we can have a look at what gold is doing. And then, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. So I'm going to catch you guys in my next live stream, and I'll see you guys later, guys. Peace.